Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I organized my refrigerator. We have a small two-door fridge in our apartment. Today I will share few tips on how to efficiently use the space so that it looks more organized and spacious. So let's start with the freezer. I keep these two floors in the freezer so that it keeps them fresh for a very long time. Usually I discard all the cardboard boxes to conserve space and I place them in a Ziploc bag, and with a marker I mark the date of expiry on them. I keep all my frozen veggies in this white dish. I got this dish from Dollar Tree. We get our veggies and fruits from Costco. As we get them in bulk, I freeze some of the fruit so that they don't get spoiled. Whenever I want to use them, I thaw them an hour or two before. And I also have two ice cube trays in here. And now the overview of the freezer. Now coming to the fridge part, I keep my used lemons in this lemon saver so that the lemons doesn't get spoiled. And I prepare the tamarind paste and I keep that in an airtight box so that it is ready to use whenever I need it. And beside that, I keep my ketchup, maple syrup and a bottle of homemade ghee in this glass jar. I keep all my Indian pickles in these glass jars and I keep them in the fridge so that they have more shelf life. And under that I keep my milk can. And in the first shelf I have this basket in which I keep all my sauces. I remove the eggs from the carton and I put them in this egg tray so that it looks organized. And you can put nearly 18 eggs in this tray. And I keep all my cheeses in this box so that it makes sandwich making very easy. And I keep all my tomatoes in this bin. And I keep all my fruits in a separate box away from veggies. And in this small box, I keep my mint, cilantro, and green chilies in 3 different boxes. And in the back, I have a box with ginger, I keep all of them at one place so that it will be very easy whenever I meal prep. In this tray, I keep my butter and unopened Indian pickles. I keep all my leafy veggies in another separate bin. I keep my veggies in a mesh bag so that it helps the air to circulate and last longer. I put my dosa and idli batter in this glass container. I prepare them on the weekend so that I don't have to worry for the breakfast throughout the week. And I use these boxes to store my leftovers. I use these plastic boxes so that I can stack them. As they are microwave safe, you can directly place them in the microwave and reheat them. And in the bottom 2 boxes, I keep all my veggies. And the final tip. To make it easier to clean and to stay stain-free, I line my trays with placemats. And I'll link all the products that I used in here in the description box below. And here is the overview of my frizz. On the side of my frizz, I have this whiteboard that I got from Dollar Tree. I write my grocery list on this. And the next board here is for meal planning. I will be posting a meal planning video on my channel very soon. And I have a magnetic clip and I keep all my bills onto that. And I also have heat pads in here. I hung them using command clip. And thank you all for watching. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe.